If you want to know the difference between owning single-family house or owning condominium, this video for you. When you purchase single-family house, that means you own the exterior, the property, include the land, and anything inside the land that belongs to you, and you are the sole responsible on maintaining the exterior and interior of this property. If you purchase condominium, there is a variety type of condominiums or townhouses. There is the attached one, and in this case, you're gonna be responsible of maintaining the interior only, and the association gonna offer the maintenance for the exterior and roofing, plus many other services. If you own condominium as a separate unit, you still own only the interior. However, you are responsible on maintaining the exterior of this unit as well. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. If you need real estate service, my card at the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in a new video to talk about real estate.